Happy Halloween, everyone. So I'm going to use this. This is a 2 coat of the gel polish, and I'm not top coat anything at all. Wipe off my brush. This is so cool. This brush is so super easy to use. Doesn't have to be really crazy perfect. You can do however you would like. Because I'm gonna just need some cool things in my background. This will be perfect for Halloween. Using my unicorn. Next, we are going to apply the no wipe top coat. Hi everyone, hi Facebook and Instagram. Welcome to Glitz Accessories and Such live tutorials brought to you by Glitz Accessories and Such. It's all fun and free. It's perfect for beginners, for any of you who would love to join. Okay, now I want to clear this one for 30 seconds. Oh, why? Hey, Isabel. Hey, Benny. Hey. Happy Halloween, everyone. It's so good to see y'all. Probably because of this time that I got to see you. But if everybody go trick or treat, probably I don't get to see all of you. But any of you missing us, you can absolutely re-watching them from our IGTV Facebook page under the videos. So I am, in the meantime, I'm waiting for the second nails. Going to use this in a second. So this is a first look that we just did. It take maybe 5 minutes or maybe longer. It's so fun and easy. And I have this right here from all of Chanfo Foil. I just trim it from a Chanfo Foil collections, Halloween collections. So let's put some like 5 on this.
Oh yes, so for those of you wondering, the Halloween special is number 27.
This is really cool, and then it's $7 for Chanfo Foil for 70,000 followers. Special sales. Thank you to every single of you, to 70,000 of you for the amazing, great, and support. That's the reason why all the foil is $7. So there are so many collections. We're going up to like over 60 different kind now. The newest one you request last night when you're doing live is up there. It's live right now, so grab them before it's gone. And I can't wait to do a Christmas design with all of you. They stay on really good. So cool. So now I am going to layer again because I still want to do this. I don't know. I like them all. I'm gonna stack them all up, everyone. Oh,
That's a little bit extra long.
is too.
It's okay. You can do it.
It looks cute though. Should I leave it alone? Maybe I should do another nails because I want it all in one nails. Haha.
You should cut that in half.
I want it all in one night because we're never gonna do, well, we're not doing it until next Halloween. It was second advantage from, I would have slapped everything on one nail. This is so funny. Okay, this is super cute. Let's do another layer. I might do 10 layer Chanfo Foil gel. So here's his channel for gels. It's only 30 seconds.
You know what? If you want to, we can do like that. If you ladies remember like the 100 code challenge, like way back in the day, like a couple years ago now.
So gross.
And people did like 100 code of like gel polish and everything else. We can do that. 100 code transfer foil. Time to stack. See where to go.
Hey, Mrs. Sin. How are you? Happy Halloween. I'm about to like destroy this nails. I'm not saying it doing any decoration, but destroy it because it looks so cute right now. I just leave it alone and put some Halloween on, like the pumpkin on, but I think I might like to destroy it. Skillmatics, Isabel. Oh, watching everyone doing contest of glitz contest for Halloween now is just so freaking amazing. It's freaking amazing. It's so amazing. It's like so creepy. It's like, oh my goodness, so much fun. All right, so no more night party. I feel I don't want it. No.
Not a pumpkin. Yep, that one. Want to be the cat? Pumpkin will stand out. You can have a black cat on too.
No, I don't want any of them. It looks super cute though. Oh no. Haha. What I'm gonna do, I'm cutting in half, and then I will shampoo on the nails and a top coat, and his car is good. Happy Halloween, everyone. Night's party. A little owl right there. Doesn't have to be in that one.
Cat in the middle.
Not really, because I don't want it to come with them. I'm looking for the skull. I just have it here and then it's gone. Ah, I found something. Maybe here's a skull right there. Crystal skull?
No, we have that.
You gonna do crystal? What I'm gonna do, I do this, and then I have this skull, and I have ice ball, and I can enter the contest. Tag hashtag glitz contest and tag Vicky. Because it's eyeball, she said I can do whatever. It doesn't have to be that. Put my own twist. I'm putting my twist right there. Here's the eyeball. So hope like Vicky who watching it. If you're watching it, then here's the contest I'm gonna enter. Look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna do this one. Absolutely. Try to make sure there's not any other. It's funny about like enter the transfer foil contest because she said it's Halloween now, so it doesn't matter whatever we can do, right?
What rose with thorn?
Right there, rose with thorn. I already covered it.
I see. Oh, that part of Halloween too, right?
Yeah. That's in the transfer foil. Shopping. So for the foil, grab that new ones before it's gone.
Yep, and also remember, so time when you guys asked me about like which one is, so some of like the special, like the seasonal one, like the Halloween, that is Halloween and Christmas special. Make sure you look in there too.
Yep. That's it. Top coat it, or you can crystal it, and here's one of the skull right there. You can absolutely add it on as you wish, you know. It's really big,
way too.
you know. She's really big.
Yeah, it's way over the top. Maybe a hand, just a girlish hand.
Or you can even do this. Oh, I have a screamy face right there.
Oh, that worked.
I like that one.
Yeah, I think that's small enough.
Oh, it's sticking there. Okay, so I'm gonna do some condensed glue gels. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be our last nails for this season, and we are going to move on to Thanksgiving nails. So I'm go all the way out fun. You can't find new stuff to render. What is the new? The transfer foil? Under transfer foil collection. The new transfer foil there. There's so many more. Actually, there's 6 different new one. And there one of them that I forgot to show everyone is so gorgeous, so beautiful. Chick that's out. I think I can able to grab that on the second one. And no white top coat on the top. And tomorrow's at 10 o'clock. At 10 o'clock a.m. EST, me and Vicky's will have a nail TikToks talking about how to build more followers and how to get more clients. I'm gonna show you this transfer foil. I don't know if they're up there yet. Floating on the top.
Yes, I do believe we have some Thanksgiving transfer foil and stickers.
Yes, the one is Blossoming Fall, number 50, I believe.
So, Shiranda, just hang on tight, hang on with the live a bit, and we'll check on that for you.
I need another one, but it's okay. Really want that one on.
Maybe from top to bottom, like go over the knife. Down too. Not too low. There you go.
My pumpkin spice crystal. So how your day's going? Hope you all have a fun and knows what you're doing. If you are going out, party, have fun, be safe. I want to turn for me. I'm so excited for like more holidays designs we are going to do.
Hey, it's all good, Shiranda. You can get them now, and you're ready for next year. Have a whole year to practice.
Oh my God, this
All your
one,
design
you'll
books.
never go wrong with this, Surrender.
And hey, horror movie nights is any day.
Yeah. I was thinking of this really cool though, because if I like get even chamfer foil gels, I mean chamfer foil design, I was thinking of really cool, because even though we say Halloween, but it's really cool for me when I'm doing Mardi Gras design. It's really stunning though.
Oh, there you go. I think we have a lot of lady from the south too. So when you do your Mardi Gras, fit right in.
Yep.
Oh, the skull.
Really cute. And
A lot of
then
Halloween stuff fit
masquerades.
perfectly.
And it's all like devil from the dead. It's like got a lot of cool things. I think it's cool. There. It's about perfect time for me to submit